When outdoor enthusiasm meets precise manufacturing, we are not only producers, but also the founders of outdoor cooking experiences. Welcome to our professional barbecue grill and tent stove manufacturing factory. Everything starts with precision. We use high-precision cutting techniques to ensure that the cutting dimensions of each sheet of steel and pipe are within an error of less than 0.5 mm, laying the foundation for the structural stability and aesthetic appeal of the products. Through CNC bending and precise stamping, we transform steel into strong structural components. The integrated molding process not only enhances the overall strength, but also achieves a simple and smooth modern design. In areas that require a firm connection but cannot be welded, we use press riveting technology. The embedded rivet nuts make subsequent assembly more convenient and ensure that the connection points are durable and undistorted. Quality at its core. Through the collaboration of professional welders and automated equipment, we achieve uniform and firm weld seams. Each weld pass undergoes strict inspection to ensure that the oven body remains strong and sealed in high-temperature environments, without any smoke leakage. Finally, all components converge on the orderly assembly line. Every barbecue grill or tent stove produced will undergo ignition tests and safety inspections to ensure that they are in the best condition and ready to go to camping sites, gardens, or commercial kitchens all over the world. From a sheet of steel to a reliable outdoor stove, we control every manufacturing detail. We are not only suppliers, but also a reliable partner for outdoor product manufacturing that you can trust.